Okay, here's what we've got going on. We go to apps, go over to the UConnect theater. Nothing but a black screen. So the first thing the internet says to do is try to eject the DVD and put the DVD back in. So we've ejected the DVD. The DVD is going back in. I hear it spinning up. Nope. Okay, here's the next thing the internet says. On and off and tune buttons for 10 seconds. Nothing. Alright, let's try this other fix. Going into the engineering menu. So, temperature up, down, front defrost. Hold that for say 8 seconds. There we go. System information. So this is ridiculous. I went into the engineering menu, nothing happened. So I went ahead and turned the car off. Opened the door. Turned the car back on. Interesting. Worked for a moment. Hey, I said ejecting disk, and the display showed up. That's genuinely fun. Well, there you have it. Guess a few reboots. Just for giggles, let's go to Chrysler's website. See if I've got an update for this radio. My vehicle's up to date.